Hi everyone, again, I am Saidin Z. Abdul Aziz, your tutor in Non-Mendelian inheritance. In the previous lesson, we discussed that there are some genes in which the heterozygous offspring do not share the phenotype of either two parents. Instead, they have intermediate phenotype. This intermediate patterns of inheritance is called incomplete dominance. As example of incomplete dominance, when a pure red 4 o'clock flowers cross with the pure white 4 o'clock flowers, that will result a pink 4 o'clock flowers. In this new lesson, you are going to get in touch and eventually discover another pattern of inheritance that's not follows the Mendel's principle. Okay, this time we are going to discuss about the codominance pattern of inheritance. Okay, so in this topic, we have learning objectives, which is at the end of this lesson, you are expected to first explain the pattern of codominance, and second, give the phenotypic and genotypic percentage of the offspring produced. Okay, class. So another pattern of inheritance that does not follow Mendel's principle is the codominance. No? So we have a problem. No, we are going to analyze this problem, which is a problem is a red ball, which a male cattle with this allele. Okay, this allele is for male and mated with a white female cow, and this is the allele for the white female cow. Okay, the question is, the problem that we are going to solve is predict the possible offspring by filling up the Punnett square. So we're going to fill up this Punnett square. So the cross between this allele into this allele, that will result a roan cow. Then another cross between this and this allele, that will result another roan cow. Next step is we are going to cross this into this allele, that will result another roan cow. And again, this allele into this allele, that will result another roan cow. So as what we can observe that the cross between the male cattle and the white female cow, which is a male cattle is red, that result a roan cow. Note that the genotypic ratio will become the phenotypic ratio. Kagaya rin siya ng incomplete dominance. Bakit masasabi natin na the phenotypic ratio will become the genotypic ratio is because lahat ng result, the cross between the red bull cow or the red male cattle and cross with the white female cow is a roan, no? So it means we have a four roan cow. Then the genotypic ratio is a 4 roan cow, and the phenotypic ratio is the 4. Okay, another 4 roan cow. So in summary, no, kung mapapansin natin, the cattle and horse coat color is this allele is a resulting phenotype is a red coat, and another this allele will be the white coat. And this allele is the roan coat or red hairs mixed with a white. Okay? So understand? That is the concept of codominance. No? Kung mapapansin natin, lahat ng allele, the cross between the two different colors is observable in that the result of the Punnett square. Okay? So, this is the illustration or the picture na nagpapakita ng crossbreed between the white cow and the red bull or the male cow. Okay? So kung mapapansin natin, they are all roan, which is a combination of white and the red coat of a cow, no? So and codominance is another form of intermediate inheritance that does not follow Mendel's laws. And this form of inheritance, the alleles of a gene pair and a heterozygote offspring are fully expressed or exhibited. As the result, the offspring's phenotype is the combinations of the parents' phenotypes, no? Kung mapapansin natin nga, ganun nga yung rules ng codominance, which is lahat ng offspring between the share, no? Kung nag-share yung dalawa na magkaibang color is lahat na yung color na yon is observable by the result of their crossbreeding or using the Punnett square. Okay? Okay, class, I hope that you understand the concept of codominance by using the applications of a Punnett square. No, kung mapapansin natin, ang pagkakaiba ng incomplete dominance sa codominance is pag nag-meet sa incomplete dominance, pag nag-meet yung dalawang flowers which is magkaiba ang kulay, no? Like for example is yung tinatawag nating na 4 o'clock flowers, no, which is pure red 4 o'clock flowers crossed with the pure white 4 o'clock flowers that will result a pink 4 o'clock flowers, no? Pink isang kulay lang between the share of the two different colors, which is a 50% from red and 50% from white that will result a 100% pink. So sa codominance class is all of the allele na yung nag-share na dalawa magkaiba is observable, no? Which is, kung like for example, yung binigay natin kanina na example is yung red ball and the white cow, no? Na nag-meet sila, that will result a roan. And another example of codominance is yung manok na which is a black rooster and the white hen that will result a black and white color of a chick or a chicken, no? Yun yung example ng incomplete dominance. So I hope that you learn a lot from this video, and next time we are going to discuss about the multiple allele. So okay, so goodbye everyone.